You'll notice that I've skipped the tuck shop one here. We'll leave that one for today, and I've moved on to the weather. Now here you've got 3 different destinations: Greece, France and Spain, and the temperature in each of the months. At the bottom it asks us to work out the minimum temperature, the maximum temperature, average temperature and mode temperature. So I'm going to show you how to do that first of all. So here for minimum temperature, I'm going to type equals min, open brackets, and then choose the cells I want it to look at, close the brackets and click enter. And it gives me 10. If we just check, yep, 10 seems to be the lowest number there. Now remember, once you've made a formula like this, you can drag it across. See the tiny square there? I can drag it so that it works for all 3 columns, like that. So the next formula I need to put in is the maximum. So here I'll put equals max, open brackets, once again choose the cells, close the brackets and hit enter. And once again drag across so it works out for the other 2 columns. Average temperature equals average, open brackets, choose the cells, close brackets, enter, and once again drag across. And finally mode temperature. Now mode is the number that appears the most frequently, so I'll type in equals mode, open brackets, choose the cells, close the brackets, enter, and again drag across, and so that's complete. Now if I look at task 2, it says create a line graph to compare the weather for 3 countries. Can you see anything odd in the graph? Now the good thing about Excel is that you can create graphs really easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose the cells that I want to create the graph for. So I'll choose the month, all the countries, and all of the data there. Now if I go to insert, and I'm going to go to a recommended chart here, and then it shows different types of chart that I can use with all that data. I'm going to go with a simple line graph here. So I'm going to click OK, and it calculates all of that and turns it into a graph for me here. Now the unusual thing here is that for France, the temperature goes up in June. You'd expect it to carry on rising like it does in the other 2 countries. It dips in July and then goes back higher in August. So that could possibly be a mistake in the data.